What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna go to, what is it called? Pomona swap meet. And so it's probably like 20 minutes away from where I live, and we're gonna go check it out. We'll take you guys along. Alright guys, so we're here. Look at all these people coming in. It is packed here. This is my first time here at the Fairplex here in Pomona. And I'm excited. Hopefully there's something more than just American muscle cars, but my brother said that they might have old school Japanese cars, maybe. So we'll see. Alright guys, walking over there to the entrance right now. Hopefully some cool cars. Check out this. Hold on. Range Rover. Racks. Holy smokes! This place is sick as fuck. Man. Let's go look over here real quick. It is. Somebody bought something. If y'all ain't here, y'all need to be here. Damn, look at all this shit. Wow. Those will look sick in your Celica. Huh.
400 for a pair.
Morning.
Yeah. 225 for a pair.
What are those?
These?
Yeah, those.
400 for the bag.
Damn.
Come with sliders.
Yeah. So many cool things. Huh? Look at that, that's sick. $90 a set for restoration. Oh, look at that. New V-dub bumpers. Look at all these parts. What? Now I gotta get a bug. Holy smokes.
But my interior gonna be more of a little bit green.
All new.
The color of the car, man.
Damn, look at these mini bikes, yo. Look at all this stuff. Bikes. Carburetors. Who's that? Or, huh? Yeah. Look at this, Carmen. Look at this Carmen gear. 66. Damn, look at that. Is that a Manx front? Anything for a V-dub, fool. Look at this. Everybody's buying shit, man. Look at the trans axles. Braided hoses. Distributors. Rods. Oh, look at that. Brand new floor pans. Wow. Bug 67. Oh man. Anything you need. Side steps, lenses, toys. And we're not even through, I'd say, a quarter of it. Steering wheels. Oh shit, this rack is sick. Damn, fool. Put this on a Corolla, a KE or a TE. Dashes. GT350H. Steering wheels. All the, ooh, look at that Chevy bumpers. Look at all those bumpers. Oh, got a little Datsun, couple Datsuns. All right, let's go, dude. Let's go.
Yeah. The light is white. It's red. Oh yeah, it's red. No, white shit. White shit.
'78 sunroof. Lights mesh. $27,000 for this one. Sheesh. Ford GT. Holy smokes, look at that. Japan garage. What? Oh no, you never know. Look at this shit. Type R. shit is sick. Check this out, Datsun 29. They're selling for $29.50. It's a Datsun 1200. Pretty cool little truck. $2,000 for this caddy. Golly, you can spend all day here. Ooh.
See, I was gonna get one of these now, but I'm
Alright guys, so that was it. It was pretty dope. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.